Everyone, and welcome to the laser world. And this is our GRS factory. As you can see, this is one of the biggest factory in the city. And very happy to have you here. And my name is Evan, and I'm the overseas engineer from GRS. And my responsibility is to provide the overall services to all of our overseas customers through the online and on-site way. As you can see behind of me, and this is our sample machine. And the series is F series. It's a GF3015, which means 3 meters length and 1.5 meters width. And you can follow me, I will show you some main parts about our machine. At first, the first thing you see is going to be our laser head. Our laser head is a returnees laser head from Swiss, and it's autofocus. And you can follow me here. The next part I'm going to show you is our laser source. Our laser source is GW 2 kilowatts. And our machine is made with a cast iron bed, which is very stable and there is no deformation. We can ensure it can last for 30 years. And for this one, this is our screen, which is about 24 inches. So this is our machine, mainly for cut the sheet metal. And then the next part I'm going to show you is our tube cutting machine. As you can see here, this big guy, this is a GT series, mainly for cutting the round pipe and also the square pipe. So that's mainly our factory, and I'm really happy to have you here today. And what I can see is that working with GRS is going to be a very enjoyable experience. So we look forward to work with you. We are always available. Thank you.